if you're familiar with add-ons for Docs and Sheets and other Google products, there are some add-ons that are specific to forms. This puzzle piece is how you get add-ons, but you may not see it when you're in your form, because if you've never gone to it before or don't have any add-ons, it's not going to be there. So the way that you're going to find them is these three dots, and you'll click on add-ons. Once you do that and put one in, you'll get this puzzle piece. So I'm going to click on this piece. Okay, and this shows you the three that I have. Okay, so now let's go see which ones we can find. So if I go to add-ons, it actually brings me to the Chrome website. And because I went through forms, it's only showing me the ones that can be used in forms. Okay, so there are some here. The one I mentioned to you about all questions required. You can just scroll and look for it. Here it is, or you can always type it in over here. So if you click on this, mine is already installed. That's why I have manage. You'll have a blue button there that says add. Once you add it, this little puzzle piece will show up. Okay, and that means it's there. This choice eliminator, let's see what that's about. It will eliminate options from a multiple choice. Okay, well, maybe you want to use that sometimes. Now, the first time you install one, it will do this. It will ask you to give it permission to its account. So you can allow it. Okay, this one's saying we can't use it, so we'll stick with the one that we have already. So now, with that all questions required, if I click over here, and I click on it to turn it on, because this means we have add-ons, doesn't mean they're in effect right now. Okay, so if I want to click on it, it's asking me, do you want to make all the questions required? None of them required. That's the only option you have. So if you didn't want to have to go through and you knew that every question was going to be required, you can click on it here and it will make all the questions required. Okay, so when you want to use the add-on, sort of like a switch, you have to turn on and off. So like this choice eliminator, it won't do it until you turn it on. And if you want to start using it, you configure it and then you can use it. So comes up on the side, it'll give you your options. Okay, here's some information about it. Okay, and then it will ask you which ones you want to eliminate right here. If you don't want to use it anymore, just close it. Okay, so that's how you can get add-ons. All right, through the menu here. And add-ons are things that Forms does not do, but other third-party companies made to make the form easier. Here's SurveyMonkey, you can actually add that to. And sometimes these add-ons are really good. They work very well. Some don't work well at all. So it's kind of just hit and miss to see what you want to use and if they work or not and if they fit your needs. But that's how you would add some add-ons.